decided that it would be advantageous to join the Alliance to cut our carbon emissions.
So an important point for us is that the report highlighted areas not only to reduce our carbon footprint, but at the same time reducing our operational costs as well.
This is too simple. You know, this is what every company should be doing.
The Camden Climate Change Alliance is a growing network of over 170 members working collectively to reduce carbon emissions and enhance sustainability across the borough. The Alliance offers a range of services, from site visits to conduct environmental assessments and produce action plans for organisations, carbon footprinting reports to help organisations measure their emissions, training and interactive workshops to help meet their action plans, networking events, and our annual Eco Awards to recognise the achievements and leadership of organisations in Camden. The Alliance is making a real difference. We've collectively saved over 17,000 tonnes of carbon emissions, and our members have saved over £2.5 million in energy costs.
We're a social enterprise, and one of the main reasons we joined the Alliance was to demonstrate our commitment to the environment, which will help to enhance our ethical values. When we first joined the Alliance, we went through the Going Green process, which is one of the Alliance's marks of achievement. And it involves first a workshop where they teach you how to monitor your carbon footprint and why you should do that. This is followed by an on-site audit by one of the Alliance team and the production of a report giving you a low-cost or no-cost measures to reduce your carbon footprint. It's very tailored to your individual needs. So the Going Green mark involves a physical demonstration of your environmental commitment. So we have this up in our atrium and on our website. So this has been a great way for us to engage with the public and bring more ethically aware customers in. The actual physical recommendations in the report have been very useful for us to actually reduce our carbon footprint. So for example, we've just finished a retrofit of all our energy efficient lighting. On top of that, we've now installed double glazing in the student rooms. What I think is most important is the advice we got on staff engagement. So we have an effective staff engagement programme up and running now, and this has helped us to reduce our footprint in a lot of cases more than these technical measures through behaviour change. We have a green team set up, we have quarterly workshops as well as educating staff and engaging them, getting their ideas together. The great thing about the Going Green mark is that staff feel more motivated in the knowledge that they're working for a sustainable hotel that takes its ethical values as a social enterprise seriously.
We joined the Alliance 2 years ago. We recognised the benefit of working with the council, other local businesses and other public sector organisations towards a common objective. Some of the first initiatives were around sustainable food development to ensure that our patients have healthy, fresh, local, organic sourced food. There is a carbon reduction benefit and also a health co-benefit, and it meets the NHS's overarching objective to improve health and well-being. UCLH have a staff engagement campaign, and we have a dedicated Mr. Switch It who goes around mentoring and supporting staff in energy efficiency, carries out audits and recommends improvements. UCLH have achieved the Carbon Champion Mark of Achievement and are delighted in addition to have won the award for outstanding contribution to environmental sustainability in Camden. It's been great to work with the Alliance, and it's really helped us to focus on our carbon reduction goals.
I founded Asley in 1975 with one car. I'm still on the move, we're still growing. We've now got over 3,000 drivers, we've got over 1,000 staff. IT now is big, 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 so we've taken massive advantage of that. That's been one of our clues to our success. So we can deal with bookings more efficiently, and it means also that the driver's doing less dead mileage. He's less likely to pollute the environment if he does less mileage and not driving around aimlessly looking for work. In the school on the other corner, we put solar panels up at our expense. We're doing our thing locally, and I think Camden encouraged that, and I think they should do so. More companies must take responsibility. If you are engaging in an area that is a community, or if it isn't, make it so. I think it's a good thing, it's rewarding. It's good for the staff, good for the people that know you, it's good PR, makes commercial sense, it works on every level. The Alliance is a good thing, there's no question about that. All our client base are concerned about pollution. They're all concerned about the environment. They want to know what we're doing. They want to know what steps we're taking.
By joining the Alliance, you gain practical support, contacts, and a real opportunity to make a positive environmental impact and improve your bottom line.